Hello, good day sir. I'm James Arthur Sundap and today akong i-explain ang Marpol Annex 4 sewage. Ang Marpol means marine pollution. Annex 4 is about sewage or ang mga hugaw gikan sa toilet, shower, lavatory or kitchen. Ang purpose ani is para dili ma-pollute ang dagat. Bawal basta-basta magbuhos og sewage sa dagat. Naay mga rules unsaon ni siya dispose properly. Only ships with sewage system or treatment plants ang pwede mag-release. Or kung walay treatment, dapat more than 12 nautical miles from land bago i-discharge. Kung kung treated sewage, pwede within 3 nautical miles. Dapat sad ang barko adunay certificate of compliances sa Annex 4. Ang imong ships dapat mag-check kung naabay sewage treatment plant or sewage holding tank. O kung nag-follow ba sa Marpol rules. So, in short, Annex 4 helps protect our ocean from toilet waste pollution. Let's follow this to keep our seas clean and safe. Yes, sir.